Already have information on a website? With the Jotform Claude app, you can turn web pages into structured online forms in seconds without copying content manually. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to create forms from websites using the Jotform Claude app. Let's get started. First, open Claude. On the left-hand side, expand the menu and go to Customize. From here, select Connectors. Search for Jotform and click Connect. If you're already signed into Jotform, Claude may automatically recognize your account. Open the Jotform connector and make sure permissions are set to Always Allow. This allows Claude to create and manage forms directly through chat. Now, click the plus icon to start a new chat. Let's start by turning a website into a fillable form. Paste a web page URL into Claude and type, "Turn this into a fillable form," and then add your URL. Claude analyzes the web page content and automatically begins generating a relevant form for you. In just a few moments, your form is ready with fields based on the information and context found on the page. Jotform understands web page content like headings, descriptions, product, or service information and automatically turns them into matching questions and form fields. Claude also provides a link to open the form directly in Jotform if you'd like to review it further. One of the best parts is you can combine web page content with your own instructions to get more accurate results. Let's try another example. Paste a second web page URL and type, "Turn this into an online form," and then add your URL. Claude scans the web page and generates another structured form based on the content it finds. This makes it much easier to turn existing website information into ready-to-use forms without rebuilding everything manually. Let's make one quick improvement. Type, "Can you add a field asking what users need help with?" Claude instantly updates the form. You can continue refining the form naturally through conversation, updating labels, adding questions, or adjusting layouts anytime. Now let's open the generated form in Jotform and review the results. Click Edit in Jotform and Open Link. Notice how the web page content has been transformed into structured form fields while remaining fully editable? Instead of copying information manually, Claude helps you quickly convert web page content into a ready-to-use form. Whether you're working with product pages, landing pages, event websites, service pages, or online content, Claude can use web page context to generate smarter forms faster. And yes, if you'd like more control, you can also add instructions alongside the website link to guide how the form should be created. After the form is generated, you can fully customize fields, labels, questions, layout, and design before sharing. Add or remove questions, rename fields, update styling, or continue refining the form anytime. And that's how you can create forms from websites using the Jotform Claude app. Paste a web page link and turn it into a ready-to-edit form instantly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.